This video will show you how to adjust columns and rows in an Excel spreadsheet. On the spreadsheet on screen, you might notice the columns are looking a little squashed, so I'm going to show you a quick way to fix that. I'll select all the columns from A to E, then move my mouse onto one of the column dividers. If your mouse is in the right place, you'll see your cursor change shape. Then all you need to do is double click with the left mouse, and the columns will automatically be the width they need. This is known as auto fit. Column B and C look fine, but A, D and E look a little bit too small. So I'll select column D and E, then hold the Control key on my keyboard and select column A also. I'll hover my mouse over one of the selected column dividers, but instead of double clicking, I'll left click and drag it out manually. As I move, you'll see pixel sizes appear on screen. Let go of your mouse when you have the width you would like to set. Alternatively, you can set your column widths using the Format button on the ribbon. So again, I'll highlight A to E, then from Format in the Cells group, click on the drop-down, and from here you can choose column width, auto fit column width, or default width. I'll choose column width, and I'll enter 20, and click OK. Oh, that's a bit too wide, so I'll just go back again, and this time choose 15. That's better. All the columns are the same width and easy to read. Now if you look at my rows 4 and 5, they're looking a little smaller than the rest. So if I highlight those rows, move my mouse onto one of the row dividers in the same way as you do with columns, then click and drag out. Again, you'll see the pixel sizes on screen. Just a little too wide, so I'll drag it back in. Oops, a little too small. Perhaps I should just double click to use auto fit. Now, if you want to be more specific, you could go to the Format button on the Home tab, but this time I'm going to highlight rows 2 to 15, then right-click and choose Row Height from here. I'll go for 20 and click OK. And there you go. So in this video, you've seen how to adjust columns and rows using Auto Fit, your mouse, the Format button on the Home tab, and by using right-click.